What's up, sports fans? Welcome back. We're gonna do a headlight conversion on the Classic. I'm gonna do a quick video showing you what the lights look like in the dark before we change them, and then again after. And for this, we are going to be using the Apollo lights from Stevenson Motor Co. with some new housings. So we're gonna take out the existing lights, put in the new housings, which look like the existing lights. So it's not gonna have this modern LED look to it like you see on other cars. And then put in the new bulbs. Should be a quick plug and play, shouldn't take very long. And I'll leave a link down below where you can find all these parts. But for now, yeah, let's go ahead and get this Mini out in the dark so you can see what I see through this camera and see how dull these lights kind of are. So we're back from the driving test. You could see on the camera what the lights were like. So now we're gonna swap out these old sealed beam lights and put in the new ones. We're gonna have the H4 housing and the Apollo LEDs from Stevenson Motor Co. So let's get these things out. Tools wise, we should only need a Phillips. But of course that's not the case because it's not. So to start, I'll remove the screw down here at the bottom of the ring. Now that that screw's removed, I'm gonna pull at the bottom and then lift up. And there we go. Trim ring is off. Now we have 3 screws on here holding this light on, holding the sealed beam light in place. So we'll take our screwdriver and just remove those. And this is holding on a ring that is holding in that light. So we just gotta get those 3 screws holding that ring. Take the ring holding off the sealed beam light off. And now this light should come out. And there's our wiring that we're going to need to remove. Looks like this has had a modification. Is this a daytime running bulb? Not sure exactly what that is. So a little bit unexpected, we have this, appears to be maybe a daytime running bulb. Let's see, comes in from, yeah, that might be a daytime bulb. I'm not sure. I'm gonna remove that because we're going to the LEDs and there's no slot for this. So yeah, we'll get rid of this. Okay, so here we have the new H4 housings and the Apollo LED lights from Stevenson Motor Co. So there are the lights. There's the same plug, so we don't have to redo any existing wiring. It's their little logo on there. So yeah, we're gonna put those in and see how they do. I will leave links to these in the description. Okay, so for installation, we have our plug, we have our light bulb, we have our housing. Check this little fan on the back of this. I don't know if it'll show up. Yeah, little cooling fan on the back of the heatsink. Really cool. So we take our H4 housing and we're gonna open it up. There are tabs and a flat side on this, so it should only fit really in one direction. So I put it in. So bulbs in there, H4, we're gonna have that pointing upright. There are tabs on the back of this housing which line up with recesses in this cup. So we'll plug this in. Good fit. We'll tuck the wiring back in here and line it up with the tabs in the cup. So now we're gonna take our housing ring, and that also lines up in a specific way. line the holes up with that, and we'll take our screws that we took out and put them back in. Tighten them all down. Now let's go ahead, before we put this last ring on, let's just test it, make sure it works. Looks good. Last step, put this ring on. It's gonna go in the reverse order. We got the lip on the back, so we're gonna put that behind the house. Didn't get it on. There we go. Trim ring secured. Let's take these LEDs out and see how they are in the dark. Back from the drive, I think you can see, hopefully you can see on the video, I'm not sure it'll come through as well as just seeing it in person, but the lights are significantly better. You can see a lot more. And what's even better is they look just like the existing one. So it's got a stock look still. It doesn't have that black internal look with LEDs around it or anything like that. It looks as it should, as I want it to, but works great. I highly recommend it. These bulbs so far have been really good. I've used them for a few days now. And actually, if you look at that last clip that I just showed, you can actually see a deer crossing the road in the distance. If I had the original lights on there, not sure I would have saw that deer, but yeah, you can see it very clearly with these LED lights. They are a great upgrade. So again, I'll leave a link in the description where you can get those parts. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And as always, when you see other minis out there, don't forget to wave. All right, I'll catch you in the next one.